Good day guys and welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. So in April of this year, Google AI Studio has moved beyond being just a testing sandbox. While it doesn't function exactly like the consumer Gemini app, there are three distinct ways to ensure your high-level prompt engineering doesn't disappear. So how do we do this? So firstly, you need to make sure that you do not use the temporary chat. So if this is on, nothing is logged. So make sure to turn that off. So if you press on these three dots, as you can see, we have a temporary chat. As you can see, it has the icon of the, what's the name of that function? The incognito in Google Chrome, you probably use that feature. So don't click this. Then also, you can click the save button, the disk icon in the top header. And what that does is saves your current prompt, system instructions, and variables into your prompt library. So these are stored in a dedicated Google AI Studio folder in your Google Drive. And also guys, if you need an old session on the left-hand sidebar, just click on Playground, which is right here. I'm actually here now, and select View All History. Every run you execute is now logged here with a precise timestamp. And that's it. Your prompt engineering is now a permanent asset. Hopefully this helps you out, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.